Welcome back all of you. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to install Java and how to configure Java in your system variable path. The first thing you have to learn how to install Java, and second thing how to configure system variable path. So for that, open Google search engine and type here Java JDK. Press enter. So this is the official website link. Just click here www.oracle.com. So this is the official website where you can download Java JDK. See here, the latest version of Java is Java 18 and Java 17. You can select any one from here and see here, this is the operating system: Linux, Mac and Windows. So in my machine I have installed Windows operating system, and see here, and my system is 64-bit. I'm going to click here, just click. It will take 2 seconds of time. The installer file, exe file will install, starting to install the JDK. So see here, so I'm going to pause this one because in my machine I have already installed Java JDK. So how to check the Java JDK is in your system or not? So for that, go in C drive, just click on this PC, just click on C drive and click here program file option. So see, this Java folder is here, means Java is successfully installed. But Java is installed, but if you want to use the Java in your system, you have to set system variable path. So how to set the system variable path? For that, just double click on this folder, then click on JDK and copy this path. Press Ctrl plus C and then click on search button and type here advanced system settings. Just click here. See the bottom side, environment variable. Just double click on it. Here we have two options: use variable and system variable. So first of all, we have to set system variable. Just click on new here and see the option variable name and variable value. In the variable name, we have to type here we have to type in capital letter Java, then home, and paste the path. Then click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. So once we set the system variable, again we have to set the system variable path. So how to set it? Again go in C drive, then program files, then Java folder, then JDK, click on bin, then copy this path, Control plus C. Then type in search box system variable system environment variable. See, this screen will appear in front of you. Environment, click on environment variable and see the option here. And previously we have saved Java home and set the JDK path here, and this time we have to set the path. Just click on the path and click on new and just paste the bin path here and click on OK, click on again OK and click on OK. So here we successfully install the Java and set the system variable path. Once we install the Java and set the path, we have to check from the command prompt the Java is successfully installed in your system or not. So how to check it? Just go in command prompt, type cmd in search box and press enter. See, and here type Java it's taking time. Here we have to type Java hyphen version, Java space hyphen version, press enter. It's checking the Java is installed in our system or not. So here it's showing the Java version 1.8 is successfully installed in our system. See, Java run SE runtime environment. So if the message is showing this, means Java is successfully installed in our system. So this is about how to install the Java and how to check successfully Java installed in our system or not. In next tutorial we have to learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA in our system, and how to configure for Selenium IntelliJ project. Thanks for watching this video.